ये खराब हो गया, ये खराब हो गया, ये खराब हो गया। Unfortunately, it did not go well. What the hell? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. It's the Monday after we've come back from Kolkata. I've come back alone. Reet has not come back from Kolkata. Getting to work, I woke up super late because कल मेरी नींद बराबर से हुई नहीं, एकदम चौपी नींद थी, तो मुंह एकदम फुला फुला सा है. बट आज बहुत ज़्यादा काम है, so I'm downing my coffee. I'm starting my day with actually booking flights for Satyam because he is going to his गाँव, but not now, in August. ये लोग ना खाली जाने की करते हैं, वापस आने की नहीं करते. There is no guarantee. सत्यम तू वापस नहीं आया ना, फाज उधर आके तेरे को काटेगा. फाजू बाइट अप. हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग. Why are you so smiley?
Very excited.
Why are you so excited?
Seeing you, and I was in meeting.
Yeah, you all had a nice long weekend, but you all are still coming late. Nobody's come. Only Shraddha's come. See, my team doesn't take me seriously,
Only 10
guys.
minutes.
Only 10 minutes. Stays बाजू में, but only 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
I am buying hair extensions. They're all real hair extensions. तो आप क्या सजेस्ट कर, आप मेरे पे लगा के बताओगे मुझे? ओके, ठीक है.
कुछ आइडिया है ना एग्जैक्ट क्या
हाँ हाँ बराबर. अभी मैं 5 तारीख को बाल कलर कराने वाली हूँ, तो तभी फिर my hair is not going to grow till the event, so of course I need longer voluminous hair. It's high time I invest in hair extensions because आप आराम से करो, जितने हैं वो.
एंगल पे जरा ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता, टेंशन नहीं. अगर ये जी पंप डालता ना तो आपको पुल हो जाता है.
I'm getting hair, mommy. You like it? I got it. Buying hair shopping.
जैसे वन पीस आप खुद यूज कर रहे हैं ना, आपको क्या करना है अभी आप खुद ही करो. दिस वन, दो थंब, एंड ऑफ द आईब्रो, एंड ऑफ द आईब्रो,
End of the eyebrow. हाँ.
पूरा ऑक्सीपिटल जोन उठाओ. हाँ, परफेक्ट.
Okay. हाँ.
एक मिनट.
हाँ.
किया सही किया. ये ऊपर आ, ऊपर नहीं, ये पूरा ये
नीचे का भी लेना है.
ठीक है. You saw?
यहाँ पे आपको आपका जो भी क्लचर है
हाँ.
टाइम पे जो रहेगा,
हाँ.
मैं आपको एक क्यों दिखा रहा हूँ कि आप खुद को यूज करना है.
हाँ.
देखो ये जो बेल्ट है ना, ये नॉर्मली हम लोग 7 इंच का रखते हैं. किसी का ये शॉर्ट्स होता है, किसी का बड़ा होता है.
हाँ.
इससे बड़ा भी कर सकते हैं. मेरे पास फिलहाल डेमो पीस है ना.
अच्छा.
ये आपको
तो ये आप कस्टम बनाओगे फिर मेरे
हाँ
उससे?
ये
अच्छा.
इसमें कैसे होता है, ये जो क्लिप्स है ना, ये
हाँ.
ये क्लिप्स
हाँ.
आपको इसको अंदर डाल के जस्ट ट्विस्ट करना है. बैक कॉमिंग भी कर सकते हैं.
ओके.
बैक कॉमिंग से बेटर ये है क्योंकि आप पीछे बैक कॉमिंग कैसे करोगे ना खुद कैच से.
हाँ. तो ऐसा ट्विस्ट करके वो करना है.
Done?
Done.
Oh, this though I can do.
Yeah, exactly.
this,
Exactly.
Wow, big hair, guys.
Hair. Oh my God. Suddenly I'm Angelica.
24 inch.
Okay.
24,
We
but
need
this is
longer. No, you don't want longer.
Babe,
Because when you
enough.
curl, then फिर छोटा हो जाएगा.
इतना छोटा नहीं होगा कर्ल होने का, because
put it
भारी
again.
तो है. ये अपने बालों के साथ कर्ल.
कर्ल हो जाए. हाँ.
कर्ल करेंगे तो और स्कैंटी नहीं लगेगा.
इनको एक्चुअली
वॉल्यूम
ज्यादा
ज्यादा
लगेगा.
चाहिए. हाँ,
हाँ, वही.
ज्यादा लगा.
डेमो पीस ये दिखाने के लिए.
तो आप एक काम करो ना, 2 पीस दिखा दो. वो 2 पीस भी कर सकते
ये 150 ग्राम वाला 2 पीस है.
हो. ओके.
अब इसमें से डिफरेंस क्या है, दिस इज नेचुरल हेयर विदाउट प्रोसेस.
ओके.
दिस वन स्मूथनिंग हेयर.
ओके. स्मूथनिंग किया है इस पे. अच्छा. बट मुझे नेचुरली दोगे ना आप? तो मेरे
आपको
पास-
नेचुरल है ना.
हाँ, okay.
मैं आपको क्यों दिखा रहा हूँ मालूम है क्या? तब का क्वेश्चन क्या होता है कि ये यहाँ पे हम कर्ल्स कर सकते हैं या मतलब केमिकल प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं कि नहीं.
ओके.
एक्चुअली क्लिप ऑन का जमाना चला गया. अब बुरा मत मानो, लास्ट 10 years बैक अभी सब लोग परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन ढूंढते हैं. इतने सेलिब्रिटीज है, एक्टर्स,
मतलब वो कराते ना सीधा
स्टिच वाला भी आता है, माइक्रोलिंग भी आता है.
हाँ, but हमको फिर
It's not good for your hair.
clip-ons.
No, people nowadays
microneedling.
get threading.
हाँ, done directly on the hair. हाँ, which
One
is so.
piece is threading. Okay.
This looks good. तो आप यही करो जो भी था ये. उतने हाँ.
all the clip only और ये clip on.
Now he will make them. He'll custom make them for.
Clip, but
अभी आपने जो किया है ना, आप वही दो मुझे इन इतने ग्रामेज जितना सर पे दिखाया है. आप अभी इसको कस्टम बना दो, जितने भी इसके क्लिप्स है. ये सेम चीज आप
4
करो.
पीस रहेगा तो 200 ग्राम में बनेगा. 3 पीस रहेगा तो 150 ग्राम में बन सकते हैं. पर आपको वॉल्यूम भी चाहिए.
हाँ, मुझे ये भी चाहिए ना सामने वाले. ये दोनों कितने कितने के है?
ये 50-50 ग्राम्स के.
नहीं. और दोनों साइड का रहेगा अराउंड 50 ग्राम बोथ
मिला के. तो ये 50 हो गया.
Yeah.
और ये पीछे के
150 ग्राम.
all 3 together.
Yes,
all
yeah.
both
Yes,
together.
yes.
Both together one.
So मतलब 200 ग्राम है
200
करंटली. तो आप यही मेरे को यही कॉम्बिनेशन
हाँ.
दो. ठीक है, आप ये नोट कर लो जितना भी मेजरमेंट है. और ये लेंथ
मुझे
भी.
लेंथ बता दीजिए.
लेंथ भी ये अच्छा है ये जो
अच्छा
है
लेंथ है।
हाँ क्योंकि कर्ल होगा तो इतना हो जाएगा
अब ये है आपको लगा है 26 है जो है वो दिस वन
1 hour later.
आज मम्मी ने बनाई मैंगो कुल्फी इतनी अच्छी है गाइस
एंड रीत को इतना पसंद आइसक्रीम का कोई भी उसको ही लव्स आइसक्रीम
तुमको सिर्फ रीत की पड़ी है
तुमने खाए है ना तो मेरे को चुप करा रही है मेरे को
हाँ तुम्हारी लिपस्टिक टच अप कर रही हूँ मम्मी तुमको तो हर चीज में है ना बुरा मीनिंग निकालना है मैं तुम्हारी दुश्मन हूँ खाओ कुल्फी चुपचाप मम्मी ने फोन कवर देखो कैसा खरीदी है 700 रुपए का फोन कवर खरीदी है जिसमें कैमरा का फोन तो ठीक है
मैं कितने महीने से बोल रहा हूँ आंटी
यहाँ पूरा स्क्रैचेस आ गए मम्मी मैंने तुमको फोन मैंने दिला के दी इतना अच्छा नया बट कवर जब ऐसा खरीदे इंसान तो मतलब क्या ही कर
अच्छा है कैमरा बच जाएगा
तुम्हारे जैसे लोगों को ही दुकान वाले लोग ना बेवकूफ बनाते तुम्हारे जैसे लोगों के लिए दुकान
मुझे
है
दुकान बोले मैं वही दुकान पे गई और
Oh God. He didn't know you're my mother. And I'll take you and I'll get it exchanged now. You come with me. How he fooled you, I will see.
स्टाइल ही नहीं
मम्मी अभी फ्रेश इतनी एक्सपर्ट हो गई देखो फ्रेश बनाई बट ये पहले से बना के रखी थी तो इसका वीडियो हो गया
हाँ
प्रोफेशनल कंटेंट क्रिएटर बन गई हो तुम अभी एकदम
nice.
शाबाश
I
मम्मी
like that. I
यस
like
शाबाश
या
अभी सत्यम मेरे को अंडे दे दे मैं मस्त इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग की क्योंकि कोलकाता में जो रसमलाई दबाई हूँ उसके लिए मैंने मस्त इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग की अभी ACV पी और मैं सोची अंडा खाऊंगी वैसे फास्ट ब्रेक करूंगी मम्मी बोलती है कुल्फी बनाई उसकी टेस्टिंग के लिए Mom made it के चलते मेरा डाइटिंग होने नहीं वाला है guys. By the way, the reason I took extensions now is because I style my hair a lot. माइक मेरे पास ही रह गया. मैं अपनी खुद की बालों की स्टाइलिंग करती हूँ तो मुझे extensions चाहिए because कभी-कभी I want to go for a longer look and of course it will take very long for my natural hair to grow out thicker. I have very fine hairs. Even though the scalp like the volume is increasing, you can see all these flyaways अभी ये hair growth serum की वजह से आ रहे हैं. बट उसको बहुत टाइम लगेगा टू बिकम लाइक लॉन्ग एंड अभी मेरी जवानी के जो इवेंट्स मुझे अटेंड करने हैं उसके लिए आई नीड सो आई थॉट आई इन्वेस्ट इन लाइक दीज आर एक्सपेंसिव बिकॉज दे आर रियल हेयर आई गॉट दिस कॉन्टैक्ट वाया माई हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट दैट्स वैष्णवी मैम एट नेहा सैलून शी गिव मी दिस कॉन्टैक्ट एंड आई कॉल्ड हिम होम एंड ही डिड लाइक पूरा प्रॉपर मैचिंग वगैरह करके अभी हम कस्टम सेट बनवा रहे हैं ही विल मेक इट कस्टम एक्सपेंसिव बट इट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट बिकॉज इट लास्ट मी 2 years इजीली फिर उसके बाद जब मैं हेयर कट एंड कलर के लिए जाऊंगी तो वो मेरे ही हेयर के हिसाब से कलर भी हो जाएंगे बिकॉज दे आर नेचुरल हेयर so then I can use it for all the events and all that are coming and then I can play with my hair looks because hair के साथ मैं ज़्यादा experiment कर नहीं पाती हूँ and whenever I call hair stylists they use tongs so I get very like बहुत बाल का damage होता है उसी वजह से मेरे बाल बहुत पतले हो गए so now I've decided to take full control of my hair growth of my hair care and of my hair styling also which is why I've decided to invest in hair extensions finally मेरी माँ का made it है और बच्चों के मम्मी ने छीन सब चोर है इधर
मैं नहीं खा रही मैं चुरमुर खा रही हूँ
चुरमुर नहीं
हाफ हाफ खाते हाफ
दहाई इज जस्ट लाइक फज भी आ ले लिया एक मम्मी ने प्रॉन क्रिस्पी प्रॉन क्या नाम दी इसको बेसिकली झींगे के बॉल्स है
it sounded very wrong.
Let's talk about it. It's very good.
1 hour later.
First half of Monday, we've been working from the bedroom because Mommy did is shooting in the hall. So I shifted Impulse team to my office. So I and Sharon are working in the bedroom. And slowly and steadily with all the mango kulfi and the prawn crackers and all that I've eaten, I'm going to slip into a nice siesta on this bed. इतनी नींद आ रही है बेड पे से काम करना होता ही नहीं मुझसे तो नहीं होता है There's something about this room. The minute I come here, I feel super sleepy. And that's exactly what I wanted in my bedroom, that nobody should work here. But this is a solution to nobody getting disturbed because Mommy did के shoot में बहुत खाने की smell आती है and बहुत disturbance होता है. So then we just all get our private rooms to shoot and do our work silently. But now they're done. They get done by like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock they're done. So now everybody can go back to their regular working setup. But मुझे अब नींद तो आ रही है ना अब मैं क्या करूँ? और yesterday's comments, I was just reading comments and I was like, what does Reet do that he is all the time with you? He has a hybrid job, so he can work from anywhere and everywhere, and that's the reason why right now he's in Assam. He can work tomorrow. He'll be in Meghalaya. He can work from there. So he has a hybrid job setup, so he can work from anywhere, which is why he's all the time with us over here, and he actually is more of a strategist. That's his job role. His marketing strategy is his job role. So you might think that I am the marketing strategist over here for Made It, for his page and all, but actually it's Reet. Reet strategizes for Mummy the most. Like Mummy and Reet are mostly in touch for their page. That's Mummy's page, and Reet ke page ka bhi pura strategy Reet only does. I of course know with experience, but Reet is like properly sits and strategizes as per what is working, what is not working. That is literally his job. So that is what his brain works in that way very well. In fact, जब से Reet has started doing इतना strategy, I also do a lot of strategy for Instagram for my page. पहले Instagram पे मैं ऐਵੇਂ ही कुछ भी डाल देती थी, मैं इतना सोचती नहीं थी कि मेरा क्या चल रहा है. But now Reet strategizes a lot for my page also, that this is working, this is what you should do, this is what you shouldn't do. Strategy is his job, and it's hybrid setup. So now he can work. First it was not hybrid. First he used to go to an office in Mumbai, but now it's not like that. Now it's hybrid, so he can work from anywhere, and that allows him to go back home also to Assam a lot more, because he can spend time with his parents and he can travel and create content for his travel page like that. So it's win-win in all directions that way. So that's why he found this job, which is more of a flexible job role.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's 8:20 in the night and I'm still working. My team left long back, but I have a little bit of editing left to do. आज जितना भी content shoot किया वो मुझे आज एक reel edit करके डालनी है. बहुत time से I've not posted anything because I was in Kolkata. It was hustle. So I'll post this reel quickly and then I want to go for a run. Today is Monday, so my gym is shut, so I want to go for a run. I've been eating a lot of dense calories this weekend. This weekend was super cheat because Kolkata में I had biryani, I had rasmalai, and then वो एक carry forward जो sugar का craving हो जाता है. आज सुबह भी मम्मी ने कुल्फी बनाया तो बहुत ज़्यादा मिठाई हो गई है. So need to go for a run, do some ab workout, just home workout is something I'll do today because no gym. Then I'll have a bath, pray the Quran, do some spiritual activities, and then see if Tamanna wants to meet for a little while for a drive. So that's the agenda. 8:30 बज रहे, तो mostly my day will end at like 1 o'clock in the night or something. But it was a good productive Monday. Working in the bedroom, not at all as productive as working in the studio. Like there is something about the office space that just makes you so professional and active. Like in the bedroom I feel super sleepy, like throughout the day I was like and now I'm sitting here and now I'm like I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. This is very scientific, that basically how you make, if you don't do work in your bedroom, you will always enter your bedroom and feel sleepy, and that is exactly what happens to me. जितनी बार मैं bedroom में घुसती हूँ मुझे नींद आती है because I never work in the bedroom, I only sleep in the bedroom. We only shoot a couple of videos that get ready with me and थोड़े सारे videos उधर shoot हो जाते हैं, but never really sit and work, so you don't feel sleepy when you're shooting, right? So I'm doing like these lingerie series that are doing so well, and I'm realizing how many people don't know about, like, you know, these things that my mom taught me long before in life. So it's fun that like I did the a lingerie upgrade video because I bought like new nipple tapes and boob tape, so I just did a video, I see time pass, and it did so well, and I'm like, oh yes, people do, like these are conversations people don't have in their house, and this is the communication I should do through my content. So now I'm doing a essential panties video on my reel and shorts.
1 hour later.
Alright, it's 9:20 p.m. and I'm still going to go for a run. अब भी मेरा काम खत्म हुआ, अब काफी लेट हो गया आज वर्कआउट करने के लिए. Usually I finish by 9:30 and eat my dinner, but I'm still going to push myself and go because it's Monday today and it just sets the tone right for the week. I think Monday को मेरा gym बंद रहता है, so I always get so demotivated to go and work out on Mondays, and उसकी वजह से मेरा पूरा week like हल जाता है. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I end up skipping the gym and then directly I go to the gym on Thursday and then the week gets over. I should push my body on Monday also. I should just try to get in as much movement as possible because so much screen time, so much lights and camera all the time can really degenerate your brain and your eyes and everything. And walking, like अभी कोई park खुला नहीं होगा, कुछ भी खुला नहीं. मुंबई में भी 9:30 बजे all the parks will shut at 10 o'clock, but I will go on the road and I will run on the road, literally run on the road. That's okay, in Mumbai you can do that. So that's going to be my plan of action. I'm just tying my tavis and I'm going to tie my Apple Watch and track my calories and do that, come back in my fitness era, because genuinely I've lost my track a little. I've stopped losing weight. I'm really tall, you know, so my weight is very well distributed. I feel like even when I was heavier, it used to not be seen on camera, or even if you meet me in person, you can't tell if I've lost weight or gained weight because it's well distributed in my body. But I can tell, especially I just want to lead a healthy life. It's not about the weight, it's just about I know when I should cut off work and get some sanctity for my brain. So let's go for a run. Hot girl summers, we gotta just be healthy. That's the hot girl summer motto.
The next day.
Today is Tuesday. मुझे भूख लगी है और मम्मी खाना नहीं दे रही है। बहुत महंगा है, बहुत लेट कर दिया मम्मी ने सब चीज में। Yes.
फटाफट करो जो
हाँ,
भी
मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं ही वन टेक आर्टिस्ट हूँ।
अच्छा
एक्शन
पापा
मम्मी बहुत पीरियड क्रैम्प्स हो रहे हैं यार, कुछ दो ना।
चल मैं तेरे लिए बनाती हूँ हिबिस्कस टी।
पहले बना रही हो तो बना दी।
A few moments later.
न्यू माइक आया है बिकॉज मेरा ब्रांड न्यू माइक खराब हो गया था, तो DJI में कंप्लेन किया एंड देन उन्होंने नया रिप्लेसमेंट भेजा है। 1 ईयर वारंटी अभी इसकी भी। बहुत स्मूथ था यार प्रोसेस। हम लोग ने उसमें कंप्लेन लिखी, शिप किए दिल्ली, फिर उन लोग बोले हाँ डिफेक्ट है, हम नया भेज दिया 2 दिन में। So cool. खाली मेरा फ्री का सामान यूज करने मम्मी यहाँ बैठी। ए भाई
मैं चेंज किया
खाली तू भेजा, कुरियर करके दिया मेरे को।
बाहर भी मैं क्यों
हाँ, तो मेरे को कितना स्ट्रेस है लाइफ में। एक तो तहा रोज आता है, ये खराब हो गया, ये खराब हो गया, ये खराब हो गया। तो बोली तेरा मेंटेनेंस खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है। जब से तहा आया है, कैमरा का पोर्ट खराब हुआ, माइक का पोर्ट खराब हुआ और कैमरा की वायर, इतने सालों से सब सही से चल रहा है।
जब से
एक मिनट आंटी, एक मिनट
चल रहा है।
एक मिनट आंटी, ये गई नॉर्वे पानी डाल के ही मेरे को वो नहीं मेरे पे खेल रही है भाई।
हाँ, नॉर्वे गई थी, गरम गरम है बाइक।
ताहा ने 1700 रुपए में कैमरा बनवाया 30,000 का, वो बंदे से ये लोग जा नहीं रहे उसके बाद। वो बताओ
वो 30,000 तो ऐसे भी
मैं जब स्नो में नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स की फोटो लेने गई तो मेरे कैमरा के पोर्ट में स्नो मेल्ट हो गई।
वो ताहा घुस गया अंदर उसके ना।
बट इसको मैंने कुछ नहीं की थी, ये तो खुद से खराब हुआ। डिफेक्ट था ना पीस में, तो रिप्लेस किया। ये एक्चुअली मैंने असम में खरीदी थी, तुम लोगों ने देखा ना इसका अनबॉक्स। पापा बोलते नया लेगी अभी। नहीं पापा, 40,000 का माइक है। 40,000 का माइक है, रहने आएगा, उन लोग भेजेंगे।
ओह नाइस।
लव इट। नया माइक एक्चुअली मतलब मेरा ही माइक है, बट नया पीस। आई लव दिस माइक सो मच। इट्स द DJI Mic 2 which is why it's so expensive. It was the latest. जैसे ही लॉन्च हुआ मैंने खरीद ली।
2 hours later.
आज अनसक्सेसफुल शूट डे है। हम गए थे शूट करने के लिए गाड़ी में। Maybelline का gloss campaign I had to do in the car and the gloss is so beautiful but it wasn't looking beautiful because the light was fluctuating a lot. बहुत cloudy day है आज, तो बहुत धूप के सामने बार बार बादल आ रहे थे and it was spoiling the shot. Plus I was not fully prepared for the shoot. I carried half the things, didn't carry half the things. Bonaita came and gave half the things. Then light started fluctuating. We went very late. I think we went at 6:20. We should try to go at 5 o'clock.
1 hour later.
Today's day started out really amazing, but now I'm in my studio room crying because I miss Reet and also because the evening was not productive. We tried shooting for a branded video and unfortunately it did not go well. It wasn't like really our fault, it was the lighting. मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था जैसा लगना चाहिए. So I was not enjoying the shoot also, and when I'm not enjoying a shoot, I'm not my best self. And then वो कैमरा पे दिखता है. I took so many takes. I was pushing myself to still do the video, and then finally I just gave up and I messaged the brand कि we need to change the concept or lighting or something needs to be different because the lighting में मजा नहीं आ रहा है या कुछ तो मजा नहीं आ रहा था वीडियो में. There's just so much on our plate right now कि एक भी दिन वेस्ट होना is just not acceptable. For our secret project there's a lot of work, a lot of deadlines, lots that needs to be done. Anyway, right now I'm going to the gym. It's just 30 minutes of gymming that I'll get. It's 9 o'clock. 9:30 तक I'll just like do something just to move my body to feel a little better because I feel very blah right now. I'm uploading a vlog, at least वो तो हो रहा है. So 9 बज रहे and I'm regularly posting. Today's Tuesday. My vlog is going up. I'm being as consistent as possible. I don't even feel like taking my phone and going. I don't feel like talking to anyone. I'm talking to y'all. Just squats. That's what I did. Like heavy weight squats. Look at that sweat. कल मैं 40 मिनट भागी 3.7 kilometers and I still didn't sweat this much. I sweat a lot more. I did squats and I did crunches because I just had 30 minutes. The 30 minutes में heavy lifting and of squat. Squat is a full body workout. It's not just a leg movement. It engages your core. It engages your cardiac system, everything. And I didn't take any rest. So I'm happy with today's workout, even though 30 minutes I feel happy now. Like imagine I was feeling irritated before this with my work. I was crying at home and now I'm happy. Exercise is so underrated. Like everyone's like मुझे काम नहीं करना but मुझे weight loss करना है. But exercise to feel happy, not even to lose weight. मैंने जो last year weight loss किया उसके बाद मेरा कुछ weight loss हुआ ही नहीं है. I'm plateau. अगर मैंने weight loss नहीं किया मैंने weight gain भी नहीं किया. That's exactly what Ask Natural teaches me. कि even if you're not losing, at least you're not gaining weight. So you're maintaining it. Plus you're keeping your cardiac health, your arteries, everything in good health. Health is fitness and health is important. I'm gonna go have a bath, shower, probably watch some Netflix and sleep.
48 hours later.
Hello, it is the 2nd of May today and I have come to the airport to pick up Amit. Amit आया है कोलकाता से, so मैंने 2-3 दिन बीच में vlog नहीं किया. I think 2 दिन नहीं किया vlog और मैं गई nails कराने के लिए. एक दिन कल first में था, छुट्टी थी, तो full day I was just resting and I got these very pretty like summery nails. They are so nice and so summery. I loved how it turned out. It's like this French manicure. It has butter yellow color on the tips and it has this floral detail on the ring finger. I love the nails. This is not related to any launch, any secret project, कुछ नहीं. मुझे nails कराते थे तो मैंने करा दी कि मैं Instagram पे डाला and everyone was guessing कि नाखून is an indication for what. It's not an indication for anything. Secret project को अभी time है. It's like a good 2 weeks is the countdown that we are going for the secret project. And I've actually come to pick Amit at the airport during a work day in between because I need to take one shot at the airport for a reel. So I thought I'll pick him up and we can do the like एक तीर से 2 निशान हो जाएंगे. उसको मेरा वैली सर्विस भी मिल जाएगा from the airport to home and I can get my shot also. So that's why I've come to the airport. Parked my car. Let's go. Close the sunroof वरना गाड़ी बहुत गर्म हो जाएगी. Let's go.
5 minutes later.
What's up? और कितना रसगुल्ला लेके आया?
The next day.
Hello, it's Saturday and we are going to do attempt number 2 of the shoot जो उस दिन नहीं हो पाया. हम late चले गए थे and that's why sunset happened and then shadows and everything. Light was not lighting that day. तो आज हमने वापस मैंने same outfit पहना है, same makeup किया है. Makeup मतलब just base makeup I've done. It's a lip gloss campaign. 3 बज गए. अभी वापस आज light चली जाएगी. चलो let's go. इन लोग का माँ made it पूरा का पूरा.
22 models on Nykaa, can you believe it?
From your links. Orders भी है.
22 orders and more than 4,000 clicks.
अरे वाह मम्मी तुम्हारा भी इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया है. अरे 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 वेरी गुड एक्सेलेंट. चलो सत्यम कम ऑन. असिस्टेंट प्रो मैक्स. सत्यम अभी शूट असिस्टेंट ही डालेगा अपने सीवी में.
डालने का प्लीज.
मम्मी स्किन केयर ऑब्सेशन इज अनरियल. आई फ्रेशली डाइसन माई हेयर. सुबह मैं जिम गई थी तो उसके बाद I dyson my arms and all are getting stronger. I love it.
1 hour later.
Guys, we finally got our groove. हम इतना कोशिश कर रहे थे through those, you know, those extensions. I bought this also on Blinkit, this phone holder to do the reel because उनको car shot reel had to be perfect timing पे बादल आया ना. Like God is today with us. There are certain days that God is not with us and He's like आज मत shoot करो. And today God is like I will assist you in this shoot myself. Like once we did this angle and उसमें ना shadow आ रहा है तो मेरा पूरा lip ही छुप रहा है तो फिर gloss का application how will I do? It's looking so bad that my eyes are bright and this shadow is coming on the lips. So that's why we were struggling a lot that day. And that day we like reached at 6:15 तो अंधेरा भी हो गया. Today now finally I told Sharon story. Sharon was like मैं handheld ले लेती हूँ. Story लेने गए तो we were like oh now the lighting is मजेदार. चलो अभी reel हो गई. I'm happy. अभी story में दूसरा lip gloss try करेंगे. दूसरा shade. These are my Maybelline lifter glosses. I love these so much. And these new shades are amazing. Like this is the shade Heat. It's that perfect like Barbie like how I'm dressed. It's exactly like that. My top colors from this is Heat and Rust. I was just wearing Rust. आप लोग देखते ना फिदा हो जाते हैं. मतलब reel में देखना मस्त color है Rust. Rust is too nice. I was actually going to wear Heat for the reel and Rust for the story, but I switched it right now because I saw Rust look so much prettier on me. I had never used Rust before. Look at the lighting, you guys. आप लोगों में lighting पहले we were struggling इतना ज़्यादा. ये sunroof बंद किया and आप लोगों को इतना clearly नहीं दिख रहा. देखो पूरा अंधेरा है. And then we did the story and look at that lighting on my face. Look at this lighting. And now we got this. I'm so happy with this lighting. Look at that light.
A few inches later.
I just be on my phone with mummy. We like this Korean obsession is unreal. Why don't you try something? ऐसा छोट मम्मी मेरी feed पे तेरा light तेरे hook is not hooking.
next day.
I am channeling max Sunday energy, lying on my couch at 12 o'clock, eating my eggs, boiled eggs, playing Pokemon, and having my impulse coffees. This is my Sunday mood. Nobody can disturb this aura of happiness and relaxation that I'm in right now. I do have work. It's a Sunday, but I do have to upload a video for y'all. So I will get to that in the evening. But right now I'm playing Pokemon and मैं बुरी तरीके से हार रही हूँ. मेरा Charizard गिरा दिया. What the hell? मेरा Charizard किसे गिरा है RCS से? Shit, I will never know. आप लोग से बात करने में मेरा Charizard गिरा दिया. Defeat. This was my rank up battle. New cards. I don't know how many of y'all play Pokemon TCGP. I don't think I have that kind of an audience. But if you all do, new packs have come. It's basically like Pokemon जो बचपन में कार्ड्स के साथ खेलते थे that, but it's a digital game now and I'm obsessed. Like Reet and I are so addicted to this. We battle non-stop and हमारे इतने strong decks थे. Every battle we used to play, like I used to play. I have a ground type. He used to have a water type and इतने अच्छे से हम जीत रहे थे and then new packs came and new cards came and now our older decks are just gone and now I'm playing with a fire type and he's been trying to make a new deck. उसका अभी तक बना भी नहीं है. I think he's playing with a poison type. I don't know how many of you are understanding but मैं हार गई. आप लोग से बात करते वक्त मैं हार गई. See, this is what it looks like. Now I'm with Infernape. सामने वाला Skarmory. I can attack 140. So I will first evolve my Charmy. Can you see? Wait, I'll show you. Now the only thing is, if I attack his Skarmory, his Solgaleo will come and attack me, but he's not yet charged. So I'm in a time limit. You can't just take your own sweet time. I'll evolve my Charmeleon. I'll play Flare Blitz. तो 140 डैमेज होगा उसको. वो मर गया. मुझे 1 पॉइंट मिलेगा. Anybody who gets 3 points wins. I'm called Finfinity. That's my gaming name. Can you see how addictive this is? It is very addictive. And I don't get time to play in the weekdays because I'm working. So Sunday ko I go at it and like collect my points and collect my cards and everything.
A little later.
It's been an entire day of just lounging in bed and now finally it's 6 o'clock and I've made my second cup of coffee, not my first. I'm gonna edit my Kolkata vlog. You can see me in the mirror that I've already changed into my gym fit so that I don't get lazy to go for a run or just move my body. You know, the whole theme of this week has been movement for my body. I really want to move my body. Every day I skipped gym this morning. My trainer actually came but I didn't show up. So he works out, like Yash comes in the morning on Sundays if he gets time. Ask Natural is where I train. He did come for me but I was feeling super lazy, so I told him, you go for your exercise and I will do my own thing. Send me the workout and I'll do it khud se. So he's sending it to me and then I will go either to the gym if I feel like moving my muscles or just run on the road. That's my new thing, that I just run on the road so that I get some movement in even if I don't make it for a workout. So I'm having my second cup of coffee so that I feel charged to do my edit and then do this on a Sunday evening. Shalini also might be coming. She was telling me, I messaged her and asked her what's she up to. So she said in the evening she's free. Agar wo aa sakti hai to wo aayegi. So that's my Sunday plan. I'm not that much of a social person. I don't really go out much. I'm a very homebody like that because this is the one day my home is actually my home. The entire week my home is an office. So I don't really get my home to do this. Just lounge in all the rooms in my night suit and just be and chill. So आज एक दिन मिलता है मुझे अपना घर enjoy करने, तो मैं enjoy करती हूँ. मस्त अभी sunset होएगा इधर से, तो मैं sunset enjoy करूँगी, अपनी coffee पीऊँगी और laptop पे काम करूँगी. Literally मैं रोज भी ये करती हूँ, but बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं तो sometimes it can get overwhelming, of course, and it is overwhelming to be juggling 2 jobs. Like in this house there are 3 companies running, mashallah. Like there is Mom Made It, there is my company, and there is Impulse Coffees. So we are so many people doing so many things. I love the energy actually. I mashallah love the energy of the house, like just hustling, like pure hustle energy. Everybody is doing something, working towards a goal. It's a very, mashallah, beautiful energy to be around the entire week. I feel very productive because sometimes, even when I'm not motivated, when my staff is motivated, I feel motivated, and I love that energy. Just they're the best people to be around. I love being around my team, and that's why I love the team I have, because they actually motivate me to do my best. So it's a very nice vicious cycle to be in. I don't think the right word is vicious. It's a nice cycle to be in. Anyway, I'm gonna edit Kolkata vlog aaj dalne ke liye. Skin is feeling super dry, so I had pulled out the sheet mask. I usually don't buy sheet mask, but ये मुझे PR में आया था, तो I thought I'll give this a shot. This is Mixsoon's soyabean milk pads. Vegan mucin also उनका बहुत famous है. It's a pure ingredient oriented skincare brand. It's a Korean brand. I really want to go to Korea this year. Let's see if I can get time to go to Korea because the first half is going behind the secret project. So after the secret project, if I get a chance to travel, I really want to go to Korea. I want to try this because of how dry my skin is feeling. They are drenched in a serum, and it's a likha hai ki just put it on your cheeks and your forehead. My skin is very dry today. I don't know why it's so dry. Keep it for 10 minutes and then just massage it. Aisa likha. It's not a sheet mask, but it's like cotton pads that can soak into your skin, and there are 3. पहली बार try कर रही हूँ मैं. Mixsoon के products मैंने use किए हैं. I have the vegan mucin essence. I keep it here only. I like mucin as a product. I'm realizing that because suddenly my skin's just become very dry. I used to be a really oily skin type, but now I'm a dry skin type. I think it's majorly because I'm always sitting in AC. पहले जब face shop के sheet masks आते थे, they were so popular. I think they still are popular, but I'm not a fan of sheet masks because I feel like more than the sheet mask being a waste, the packets are a huge waste to just do one use and throw. In case, I really like another product from Mixsoon which I have here in the bedroom. I'll show you that. Look at this. This is the Mixsoon bean toner pad. So this is their bean essence, and it's in a box full of toner pads. There are so many pads and they're all soaked in essence. So this I keep in the bedroom when my skin is very dry. When I'm working, I just put this SE and I keep. So it's not a one use and throw kind of situation. It's a full box. इसका कुछ काम नहीं है, सिर्फ हाइड्रेशन. तो अगर आपकी ड्राई स्किन है, it's for that. It's not for brightening. It's not for fine lines. Nothing. It's just for hydration. So I keep this right here in the bedroom. Sometimes it's nice to just put this and Netflix and chill because you can look like this. Paju also got a haircut today. He's got his summer cut and इसलिए वो गुस्सा है because उसको उसके बाल कटवाने नहीं पसंद. Hello. Walaikum salam. Did you bring chicken wings?
Yes.
Very good. I was craving chicken wings.
Yes, Satyam.
He's gone out.
When will be back?
He's gone to party. उसके Saturday night plans है, Sunday night. आज बहुत ज़्यादा cloudy है, so there isn't much golden hour happening, which is good because आज मुझे shoot करना भी नहीं, आज Sunday. Lovely, but it's so nice, the beauty. Clouds ज़्यादा है, मतलब sky एकदम clear है. 10 minutes हो गए, so I'm gonna take this off. Keep all the toner. Of course. मुझे एक आधा acne आते रहते हैं, so they do leave like acne marks, but overall my skin, the texture of my skin has improved drastically. Like from a couple of years back, अगर आप मेरी skin देखोगे, it's become so much better. Like there's no texture on my skin. If I get a pimple only, that's the texture. Like this is a pimple which is coming up, but other than that, the textures evened out a lot, and it's just happened with time, good eating, like regular skincare, all of that. मैंने सारे skin treatments जो मैं करा दी थी सब कुछ बंद करा दिया है. कोई भी skin treatments नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं अभी. So this is all just because of like regularly using my skincare products, understanding what my skin needs and putting that on my face, and eating right. Of course, I eat so much protein that I feel like the extra protein is going into the development of my skin. I take collagen, I take my supplements really nicely. So nutrition is my main thing for sure.
2 hours later. The next next day.
Monday today, another week, another hustle is starting, but I am going to end this vlog right here. I am so up to date with my vlogs, like literally मैं आज खत्म कर रही हूँ और आप लोग कल ये vlog देख रहे हो. इतनी ज़्यादा मजा आ रही है ना कि I'm finally back to my posting schedule and back to my routine जो बहुत टाइम से I think since this year started I was struggling with it. ये महीना आ गया guys, 5th May है आज, 1st में भी नहीं 5th May हो गया है. Crazy. This was the first week of May. Summers have started in Bombay. It's very hot. I'm going for a little bit of a trim क्योंकि ये बाल भी मुझे लंबे लग रहे हैं. And I'm also gonna get a root touch up. तो जो भी नए बाल आए हैं उसको थोड़ा कलर करके मैच करेंगे और थोड़ा इस करेंगे. खाली शेपिंग I'll give because last time I cut my hair at home. Asked the salon girl to like give me some shaping, so I'm gonna give you all this detail in the next vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did not hit a big thumbs up. 40 Sasko goes to Alekia Manu. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Sasko, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad. And you can join us for my next video, Sarah Squad Shout. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.